I think I'm losing my mind. What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Don't know what this vlog is gonna be. However, I have a problem. Okay. Something is wrong with me. I think I'm walking around with undiagnosed ADHD, maybe something else, right? As I said, undiagnosed, so I don't know. But my brain does this thing. When I have something to do, I overthink. Let's say, for example, I have a promo video to do. I have people in promo video for the whole long, and I find it so hard to do because my brain keeps telling me, okay, Shelby, you cannot just sit down in front of the camera and be like, hey guys, look at me, and take out the items and then set a little call to action and call it a day. No, I must try to think out of the box and think of another creative way that will draw the people and get the people's attention to want to actually watch. I must think that when life is so simple and all I needed to do was just take up the damn camera, put it down, do what I need to do, post it, gone, done. Because I didn't do that, I have not done my recap reel. Time is going and my brain is like, oh my god, I don't know what to do. I feel like shutting down. I'm avoiding people. I'm just in bed. I've been in bed for the past couple of days doing nothing. My brain cannot rest. It's like, I don't know how to explain it. My brain is so full but so empty at the same time. And I was telling one of my friends that I feel like if you knock on my head like this, it will sound like when you knock drum in our empty church. Echo, echo, echo. That is how I feel. But it is also so full of stuff. If you were to go in my brain and try to find something, you would not find it. It's like that one episode of SpongeBob where he's in his brain and there are multiple of him and they're looking through papers and fire and all that stuff. Yes, that's how my brain feels, and I am just so sick of it. I don't know what to do. I've been saying I wanted to clean my apartment for so long. It is in a deplorable state. I think I'm losing my mind. And this is not new. This is nothing new. It is affecting my daily life. I can't do my content. I don't know. I was supposed to be doing home maintenance in my last vlog or whatever. That didn't work out. I've been procrastinating on Slim Boulevard because, again, I'm overthinking and thinking about all these ideas and things that I need to do that I really don't. I really don't. And yeah, it's a mess with my brain, and because I am so overwhelmed and I literally just don't know what to do. I literally sat down and wrote a whole to-do list. I know the things that I'm supposed to do. I refuse to just pick one and do something. Do I have my promo videos that I need to go and do? Yes. What am I doing instead? I'm here vlogging. I know what I'm about to do. I'm about to clean my apartment. That is literally the least of my worries right now. But I feel like if I do not do something, if I do not clean it at least a little bit, my brain is going to continue being foggy. I feel like my apartment or my room is a reflection of my mind. And the way my apartment looks is exactly how my brain feels. Some parts of it are very clean. Some parts of it are messy beyond repair. And I just feel like I just want to turn a blind eye. I am losing my shit. I am losing it. May I lose it? But anyways, as I say, I'm gonna try to clean at least a little bit. Probably not a whole deep clean or I don't know. But I need to do something before something to me. So yeah, I already cleaned this. How did it get like this again? Got to tell. Oh, them something I reach so. I don't know. Got to tell. These are some things I should have been taking down to the laundry room. What are they still doing there? Got to tell. Bathroom. Only got to tell. Do not get me started on the dishes in the sink. Good morning. It is the next day and I have made some progress. With my bathroom. So this is what we're looking like. Ta-da! I can see my floor again. Wow! I can see my floor. Yeah, that needs to wash. But yeah, can you believe that? I can see my floor. So my shower, I cleaned it, but for some reason like the soap scum is just really bad. I don't know how to fix it. I left vinegar and dish soap soaking on it. I've tried the pink stuff, I've tried Fabuloso. I don't know what to do. I have no idea how to clean it to make it look clear again, so that kind of stressed me. And I feel like this mirror is a little bit hazy actually, so I need to re-clean that. Look at that. Nice. This will come out eventually, but the little stopper that was in it was really dirty, so I have it soaking in some vinegar and then over here is where I started keeping like my toothbrush, water flosser, my glycolic acid, cotton pads, a little soap them, pads, flushable wipes. I'm not gonna move over to the shower area. Now I need to clean my room. So I cleaned off the vanity. Yeah, so this is what the vanity looks like right now. Obviously these things need to be relocated, but yeah, I eat that right now. What I want to do now, my living room is my laundry is in here, so I need to take that down to the washroom, but I realize outside kind of looks overcast, so I'm not sure yet. But I will be wrapping this. I'm gonna wrap this, okay, because I can't stand it. I can't stand it. So move this over here, so I bought this on Amazon, this contact paper. Remember how I said I wanted to wrap my cupboards? I ain't got time for that. Because first of all, I don't have enough of this. Second of all, I refuse to do it myself. I was gonna do it myself. I was gonna DIY it. I don't want to. So I'm gonna buy some more of this, maybe, and get somebody to do it so they can wrap that. I can't show no down this one clean. Anyways, focus. So we're gonna start with the outer edges and the top, and anything that is any scrap that we have left, we'll try to put it on like these places. If this is finished, I may go in with this one. This is not the same thing. That one had more of a wood grain texture to it. This one is just like matte black and you can draw on it. So I was also considering if I wanted to use this instead, and I can use my chalk and draw on it and, you know, do some doodles every now and then, but maybe not. Yeah, we're gonna start on this side. I need my other camera. I really want to start posting short form content. I'm really bad at short form content and I want to get better at it. I do want to get better at it. So yeah. Also, my hair is, I'm feeling my hair now. I'm definitely feeling my hair now. Yeah, and I think because the color is graying out a little bit, it's giving this little ombre effect, and it's a lot shorter so it don't look so dry. And well, they kind of dry right, I know, but you get the gist. Let's go. This was a task. I know there are air bubbles in it, but I do not care. I am not fixing them. I thought this was going to be a little bit easier. Also, I think I'm going to run out of that contact paper because this side actually took up a lot, and this is all I have left. And I feel like this is only enough to cover the other side. I feel like I'll even still feel better once both sides are covered, and then probably like these middle pieces, but I need them covered. I need them covered. So Yeah.
Anyways, guys, it's not my best work. But you can't tell that from the distance you are. And if you too close and you can see the imperfections, then you need to get the fuck out of my house. It's not like I have guests. I mean, I guess so.
I have another piece here. The same chalky one I was telling you about earlier. Yes, we're gonna... We just cut. Hold on, no, it's got too short. Oh no. So, we're gonna do this here. And no, we need to cut it right here, so. Right here. Nice, nice, nice. Well, this project has been stressing me and I have run out of the contact paper. So yeah, I need to fix some things on some parts and I am not in the mood. I will fix all of this shortly. But this side looks good. And the top, it's just here. Here needs to smooth out somewhere, like under here. I don't know what, it's just not sticking properly at all and it's kind of stressed me out. Over here is terrible job. Don't look at that. I ran out of contact paper. But at least this side though. At least this side though. Even though it doesn't look the best right now, I still prefer how it looks than what it was before. I did not like the gray at all. And now it just looks a bit more cohesive. Like there's the black, a black. Like, oh, it's so much better. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna go by Super Value, True Value, one of them, and get some black spray paint. I think that might be my better option. What is this on my suitcase? That's that. I need to clean in here. I know I was, soft launching the mess that is in my kitchen. I'm gonna get to it. I need to go to the supermarket. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. I'm starving. Hey y'all, I don't know what day it is. Anyways, I kinda cleaned the kitchen. I did the dishes. I just need to pack up those things. I took the stuff off of the counter here. I'm going out. So this new restaurant is opening up called Como so dice? I don't remember it. I don't remember what it's called actually. It's opening up. And yeah, I gotta get ready. So it's currently after 7. It's probably almost 8 o'clock if I am not mistaken. And they said that the opening, it starts at 9. I didn't ask for a +1 this time. Usually for these things I ask if I am allowed to take a +1. But honestly, I'm getting tired of being the one to always invite people places. So I'm not inviting anyone anywhere. I'm gonna go by myself and get over my fear of being out by myself. I need to get over this social anxiety thing. We're going for me. So yes, that is also a reason why I am not asking anyone to accompany me tonight. So I'm about to do my makeup. I'm not going to film it. Y'all will just see me when I'm done. I'm really trying to get in my content bag, so I'm gonna see if I can film a get ready with me. So I'm gonna try to see if I can film the makeup aspect and then see if I can film the outfit, even though I have no idea what I'm gonna wear yet. But my dear, this is the finished look. This is my first time successfully doing a groom, and I think this outfit is so tea. And my shoes. I need to go. I don't think I can bring you guys because you guys could hold in my bag actually. Y'all are on 50%. You could hold, but the memory is almost done. And I can't find my other SD cards. We'll make it work. Let's go. lose my mind. I don't know how many times in this vlog I've said it, but we feel like me I lose my mind. Wanna watch the ads then, please? Because me now make JPS. Me now make the heat kill me. JPS, I'm begging a discount this month. The act have to turn on. The ear have to come in. I cannot do this anymore. My heart, I'm miserable, I'm PMSing, I'm irritated. Everything is up. But I'm at peace. Everything is just upsetting me. And I literally said to myself, Shelby, are you really annoyed by these things that are happening? Are you really angry about these things? Or are you just hormonal? But I think it is both. It is the both of them. And I'm fed up. I'm fed up. But at least my apartment don't look half as bad. It still don't look great. But there's improvement, right? Anyways, I'm supposed to be going to Traxon Records at 4 o'clock to go watch a football match. You want to ask me why I keep on a watch match. I mean, I don't know about football. I mean, nobody asked me that, but you know, I'm just saying. Don't start asking because I'm here for the hype of it all. I'm here for the love of the game. I'm doing it because I have nothing else to do. It's summer. I did most of my work already. I'm still doing work. I'm trying to be on my Zoom. I'm about to go edit 2 reels. I did a get ready with me reel last night. 2 of them to be exact. So I need to go edit those and try to post them. I'm trying to juggle both of my TikTok accounts. Why am I doing this? I'm trying to juggle both of my TikTok accounts because I want to get my other one to 10K, but I also want to get my main one to 100K. Remember me said that at the beginning of the year that I want to get to 100K, but you know, factors in life caused me to not be as consistent as I had planned, but it's okay. We're trying our best. My birthday is in, I don't know, like 2 weeks or so. My birthday is on the 31st. I have no plans. I don't think I want to do anything. I have really bad anxiety when it comes down to my birthday. I love counting down to my birthday. I do not enjoy it being my actual birthday. I feel very jittery. I feel very antsy right now. We're just hot. I think we're just hot. Oh, that's why I came out here. I came out here for water. That really came out here. And big up my fridge. Because from yesterday, I put this jug of water in the freezer. It was rock solid, right? And then before I went out last night, I had put it in the fridge because I wanted the ice to melt, of course. And the ice is still in there. It's still big up my fridge. Somehow the fridge not cool. Somehow the fridge cannot do this. Somehow the fridge making the food spoil before 2 days. Not my fridge. Or maybe it just needs some water to drink. Wow, that felt so good. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do any makeup today. And upon that, I also feel like this is probably irritating me. It's just on my head, it's hot. I love my pixie now. I love the fact that I cut it and I can just literally wear my mold and go. I'm gonna fix up back the front a little because it's giving tapered. It's giving line up. Yeah, I look like a little boy. I need swirls and curls. Look a little more feminine, especially because I'm not gonna do any makeup today. I need to look like a little girl and not Sheldon. Yeah. I thought I looked so cute last night. Oh, I was telling you about Como May. I think it's called Como May Lounge or Como Mai. One of them, I don't know how it's pronounced. Did I tell you all about that already? Anyways, it was a vibe. It was a good time. I would go back. Those crab rangoons slapped. I loved everything about it. I would definitely go back. A lot of people were there. So many people were there. I'll be back. As I said, I feel like maybe God was just keeping me back from something. I don't know what, but yeah. Yeah. Hey y'all, the AC is blasting. I am so sorry, but my heart, and I am now gonna leave out to go to Traxon Records. So yeah, soon there. We can't talk tonight now. Well, folks, change of plans. I turned back. I came back home because Shakila made me know that the parking is terrible and I might not find anywhere to park. And yeah, I just turned back and then my Uber app wasn't working, so I was kind of crashing out. And then people on the road were just not driving with sense. My heart, me irritated, me and I'm hungry. I just want to stop feeling like this. So I really want to get there and hurry up and eat some island nachos, whatever that is. And just come see. I got my Playboy bunny on today. Feeling cute, whatever. And I really don't want to mess with my vibes. Where is this Uber? Slippers that I have on, I don't even want to wear these. So I might just wear the other ones. But I don't know what they look like on right now because I haven't seen myself in a mirror with these slippers. But honestly, we just not care no more. I'm not care no more. I just want to go where me I go. White slippers would look better. But these black ones will just have to do. It is what it is. It is what it is. Crap my window. So but the place is hot and I don't want my car to be, you know, overheating and whatever. You see the gate opening? You don't have to drive in, it's okay. Alright guys, talk to them soon. Guys, it's so hot. Alright guys, so I am home now. I left before the crowd. It was, I think, 5 minutes left in overtime. I got so much overtime, but yeah. I didn't really want Norway to win. It never looked like it ever happened. It looked like England beat them. Today's match was nice. Like this, I actually was paying attention. I was excited and disappointed and frustrated and on the edge of my seat. Yeah. Ball game nice, man. I can't watch a couple more matches. I'll do World Cup soon. I'm done. Right? Right? Right. I'm gonna take these clothes off so I can sprawl out in my bed. Do not wear your outside clothes in your bed. If you do that, you're nasty. I really think you're nasty. I have an event to go to tomorrow as well, but I'm going to try to actually upload this vlog tomorrow, latest Monday. The reason why I'm saying Monday is because the event that I'm going tomorrow, I think I want to include it in the vlog and I will reach home at night, so it doesn't make sense. Yeah, in a bit I will get to work and edit it and see how we go. Also, the reason why I just smelled a while ago is because I used this deodorant, right? If you follow me on TikTok, I had reviewed this and said, you know, I like the smell and everything, but I don't feel like it would last long if I were to just go on the road. I have been wearing it for the past couple of days because the other deodorant that I usually use, it's in the car. It probably melt out by now, Lord Jesus. Me feel buy one new one. Anyways, yeah, I have another one up there, but for some reason, I think my body is getting used to it and it's not lasting as long as I would like it to. So I stopped using it. So I have been using this one and I have no complaints right now. Mind you, I haven't been running up and down or anything. I was there for, what time now? 6:57. I got there around 4, a little bit after 4. And yeah, I smell fine. So not bad, not bad. The reason why I kind of fretting if, you know, mega smell away is because it's aluminum free, paraben free. I mean, I lie, I always encourage people to use the deodorant name with aluminum because when I use it for green, me not use it for green. That's why I took the chance. I'm not sweaty. I rarely sweat. I don't get hot and bothered easily, but because it's been so hot lately, I did not want to take the chance. And normally I walk with it just in case I have to touch up, but I forgot. So thankfully I smell fine. So yeah, I'm gonna change my clothes now. Good morning. It is the next day. I ran to my shipping company and got all my packages, and I'm gonna do a little mini unboxing with you guys. These are some Shein stuff. Do I remember exactly what's in them? No. So I'm just gonna take them out of the bags first. One thing with Shein, they're gonna split up the packaging. Shein will make it their mission to split up the packages. So irritating. You know what I'm saying, you know? Mark out your name when you're throwing away packages and stuff like that. I'm not sitting down and marking out my name out of these. I'm just going to pray to God that there's not a crazy person out there that will go dig through the trash and use this for evil. So yeah, me not done it. And I'm trying to just pack away the garbage same time because I know exactly how I am. I would usually just throw these bags on the floor, do my haul, be excited for about 5 minutes, and then I'll be in agony because I have to clean the place that I just messed up. Don't make any sense, right? I know. So let's see what's in the first one. These are what the bottoms look like. The top, it already looks big. Some shorts. These are extra small, but they're giving small. Oh, okay. Oh, so this is this graphic tee. I like this. No, what's you know? I'll figure out a way, jazz this up. I didn't realize it came with shorts, so these are the shorts it came with. I highly doubt I am gonna wear them together, but yeah, there's that. This cannot fit me. Got it in black, in white. Oh yeah, just a regular like tank top. You need basics. You need basics in your closet. This is a skirt. Alright, this can't fit me. Ooh, this will fit nicely. This will fit nicely. So it's a long skirt. I love these maxi skirts. Not gonna lie. This is like a jumpsuit. Oh, this is so cute. I feel like it's a little bit big though. So this is what the top looks like. And this is what the bottom of it looks like. It's kind of like joggers, sweatpants-ish type vibe at the bottom. I think it's so cute. What is this? So I think it's like one of those off-the-shoulder tops or like a batwing top. I can't remember. Yes, I have an unhealthy obsession with black and white clothing. So yeah, in most of my hauls or almost all my hauls, that's what you're gonna see for the most part. Ooh, a corset. Corset. It looks a little bit big. And the back is tied up. Another black and white item. What is this? Oh, it's a dress. It's a maxi dress. So it's like a halter top. That's what the top looks like. And yeah, another black and white item. Ooh, these are some capris. Some capri pants. Last thing we have here is actually, oh, never mind. I was gonna say it's not black and white, but it is. It's 3 different items. So two, like, kind of tube tops. Would you call these tube tops? Yeah, I think these will look flattering on me. Got it in black. I got it in pink. Pink is like my accent color. When all else fails and I want to add a pop of color, I go for a pastel pink. I really like a pastel pink. Anything muted, not too bright. See, I have on pink right now. Or would you? Yeah, this is pink. Like a pinkish, peachish type vibe. But yes, that is the end of my haul. And honestly, I feel like I'm gonna just close out the vlog right here. I have somewhere to be later. It is currently 11:55. It's pretty early, so I'm gonna edit this vlog, see how far I can get with that. I'm hot. I'm sorry. See how far I can get with the vlog, and hopefully it can be up by later or tomorrow. More than likely tomorrow. I'm not rushing. I just want to get majority of that editing out of the way. And yeah, if you got this far, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Our secret emoji of the day is, yeah, I realize I'm not leave a little comment when I ask enough for them. When I play shy, I'm not like that. I thought we were friends here. I thought this was a community where we talk, get to know each other, but I guess not. Anyways, see you guys in the next video.